To finish with the first part of our tutorial, we need to add the rest of our KPIs. To do that, as I promised, we will use a little trick. Let's select these two columns and click the Add Columns button to expand our template. Here we go. In just one click we have just copied and added the part of our template. In the same way we can copy and add rows if we need it. Let's finish with our KPIs. Open the Dimensions and Measures panel and select this cell. Click the measure to insert into the selected cell. Select another cell and click this measure. In such a way we will replace sales measures with margin ones within copied cells. Select this one and change a text label. Don't forget to embed margin trend here. Just drag and drop it into this cell. OK. We can use Copy Styles Format tool if we need it. And don't forget to change the numbers format. Here we go. The last thing what we should to do is to add symbol attribute expression for margin percent measure in the same way as we did it for sales percent. Let's copy it and change it accordingly. Paste it. Change sales percent to margin percent. And as a final change, let's add a border between these two blocks of KPIs. We need to select these cells holding Ctrl key and then click this border button. That's it. In the same way you can add as many KPIs as you want. In the next video we are going to add yet another visualization template with its own hypercube definition.